Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.